Welcome to yet another series of Tangle in Sync. This is me, Aishwarya Darbha. I'm a Certified Zentangle Teacher. I live in Pune, India, and these are small Tangle series for you. So today we are playing with the Tangle Fjord as a monotangle. Monotangle is something that we just use one tangle around the piece and we just go along with the flow. So this is my variation of Tangle Fjord. Earlier we played with Tangle Fjord a long back, like the original step out. So I'll try to put the link of that as well, so you can look into that. This one is a bit different. We are going to play with 8 petals of Tangle Fjord here. And yes, I have speed up a little bit of my video so that you can just follow it. It's easy to just watch and enjoy, but yeah, I do draw a bit quite slower than this, but this is fun to see actually. So yeah, and so now I'm drawing the inner aura for the Fjord, as you see. And just take time, please don't hurry up, don't speed up. You can pause the video whenever you feel like. I try my best to put soothing videos or music to just keep you engaged. So now I just start with adding some splitted lines. So it's just darkening on the edges and pulling up those lines to the front. This has to be a little bit slower. It's definitely not this quick, but it's okay. So take a little bit time and patience as you draw these lines. I'm unable to remember the technique that it's called at the moment. Then I start adding those little ripples or pearls like thing over the outer surface of the Fjord. Just take time, you can just draw these ripples at any shape. It doesn't have to be like a rounded one. You can see that some of these ripples are even bringing out. It's like out of line, you can say. So it's okay. Let it be as it is. And we are tangling, we are not drawing here. So there's a bit difference. I really love when Maria says that we got to draw as we feel like and as it is drawn with the pen, not like it has been drawn like on a computer or something. So tangles are something to be drawn like that. Yes, there are other drawings or mandalas or anything that looks like quite realistic and quite like it's been used as computers. That's beautiful for that kind of art. Or for Zentangle, we keep it very smooth, very ease, so without any perfection. So this is something that I love drawing this. There's a tangle called Roots by Eni Okin. So she long back she used this technique CZT New definitely. So it's like adding a little bit of weightage, like a little bit of darken over the top area and pulling a line. It's also equal to the Tangle's Senna. Senna also looks similar. Then we have many more tangles that have similar quality. It's a very beautiful filling. I just enjoy it. And I felt this tangle Fjord can have a nice background. So now I just start adding the inner auras um, to the Fjord on the diagonals. I just felt maybe it will add something interesting. Not particularly. You can just skip it also if it is too busy for you. I'm just completing the tile. I remembered that this part of it was not filled in. Now I'll start adding some pencil shading, very light and dark pencil shading. It's up to you, however, whichever way you like. If you like dark, you can keep it dark. Just see to that you leave some white space in between. I hope you enjoyed tangling with me till here, and I'll see you at the end. And thank you for watching this video and following the tutorial. You can find more inspiration on my blog, and I have even started posting on my Tangle and Inspired Club, this on Facebook, so you can find me there as well. And you can put up your artwork and show it along to the group, and we can have some fun together. So take care, and see you around again next week.